Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make cinnamon twists. Cinnamon twists are like these yummy little biscuit thingies. They make your house smell really good when you make them. And they're really easy to make. So let's get started. You'll need 2 5-biscuit cans of refrigerator biscuits, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1/4 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon. Supplies: you'll need a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper and 2 bowls. So first, preheat your oven to 400 degrees and add your melted butter into a bowl. And then with your other bowl, take your sugar and your cinnamon and you just add them into that bowl. And then just combine them together. Open my biscuits, and this is where we get to make this cinnamon twist. So get a biscuit, you just punch a hole in the middle with your thumb, and then you stretch it kinda. Then you dip it in your butter mixture, and you flip it around in the cinnamon sugar mixture, and then you twist it into a figure 8 shape, sorta, and place it on your pan, and then just do the same thing with your other biscuits. So we finished our cinnamon twists. I had to use a little more cinnamon sugar. Now these are just about ready to go in the oven, but I'm going to sprinkle some of the extra cinnamon sugar on it. Alright, so now that we're done, these will go in the oven for about 8 minutes. And if you have to use more than one tray, you should do 4 minutes and then swap, and then 4 minutes. So let's cook them. So here they are out of the oven. They smell really good. Make sure to wait a couple minutes before you put them on the platter. So here's the finished product. I'm going to try one now. It tastes really yummy. I hope yours do too. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.